Hello everybody, welcome to another video, and I'm finally back with the voiceovers. Did y'all miss me? Yeah, probably not. Welcome to my what's on my phone video. Pardon me, it's been such a long time since I did a voiceover like this, so yeah, if I do any mistakes, it's probably because I'm dying right now. What's on my brand new cloud white Samsung S20 FE? I hope you enjoy. So before we dive into what actually is on my phone and what apps I use, etc., first let's look at the phone itself and the color palette I'm using. From my white phone and my white and black setup, I don't know if you can tell the color palette that I'm using. I'm using rainbow. I'm messing with you. I'm using a black and white theme. Who knew? I've been enjoying the black and white theme, especially since it matches my desk setup. So yeah, I mean at this point, I just feel like living in a psych ward with all the white stuff that I have, but hey, I'm already a psycho, so there's no difference. Since this is a Samsung phone, I'm allowed to use the always on display. So what I used here is a calendar, and basically I chose a calendar because I wanted to see like how far I am in the month and like see that we're all gonna die one day. So yeah, positivity, am I right? Other than that, it also contains my notifications, battery level, and the fingerprint button. Turning on my phone or double tapping it, whatever you prefer, here you will see my lock screen. I made this lock screen for myself in Adobe Illustrator. I sort of wanted to have a black and white industrial look to my phone and like have sort of a branded look to it. Hence the QR code and a few numbers here and there. Do let me know if you want a tutorial on how to make a wallpaper like this, although it's gonna be sort of an Adobe Illustrator tutorial, so it's not really the best beginner friendly, but if you want it, let me know. And yes, if you're wondering, this is an actual working QR code. Using a QR scanner will bring this to my YouTube page. So yeah, I guess that's the perks of designing your own wallpaper. You can put a lot of Easter eggs like this on your wallpaper. Unlocking my phone, here we have my home screen. As you can see, I wanted to go with the black and white aesthetic as per usual, and so I made my wallpaper somewhat following that industrial style as well. For my icons, I didn't want to go for a black and white icon pack because I feel like it'll be quite hard to navigate if all of my icons were monotone. So the icon pack that I'm using is actually called Dove Icon Pack. I found this cute icon pack in the Play Store and it's really cute, and I just love the minimal design and the color palette. I think it's really pleasing to the eyes, honestly. I believe this icon pack runs for a couple of cents, and honestly it's a worth it purchase in my opinion. As for my launcher, I'm using Niagara launcher because I honestly feel like it's the best launcher for me because it's very minimal, and I love minimal obviously, but also because it's very easy to navigate between apps, and it has a very clean home screen, which I really like. The customization is also nice. I can also hide and favorite specific apps, change their icons, names, etc. And yeah, I just really love the clean look of this launcher. Not sponsored, by the way. And that's why I designed my own wallpapers, is because the launcher is quite unique in a way that the apps are arranged in a list rather than a grid. So that's kind of why I have to create custom wallpapers that do not obstruct the icons or the icon title. Yeah, no one cares that. Yeah, move on to the video, please. Alright, anyway, let's talk about the main 5 apps that I use on my phone. The first app that I use is Google's To-Do app. Now, the reason why I use Google's To-Do app is because it feels very easy for me to sync my to-do list to my calendar, which I can access through my computer pretty easily. So for example, I can add things like finish what's on my phone video, which I'm doing right now, and I can see what I have to do today later. So for example, I have to email some companies about the parcels that I'm receiving, and so on and so on. Like I said, what's great about this app is that I can just go to my computer and access the to-do list there since it's synced through the internet. The next app on the list is the Forest app. Now, you probably heard of this, you're probably a caveman if you haven't, but basically this is a Pomodoro app where every time you finish a Pomodoro, you plant a tree in your virtual garden. Now I have to admit, I don't really use this app that often because I don't really use my phone that often, but when the time comes where I need a Pomodoro timer, this is my favorite app to use. The next app on the list is Duolingo, the new member to the party. I actually found this to be the perfect replacement for mobile games because I found that I don't really enjoy mobile games anymore, and I just play on the computer more than my mobile phone. So instead, I wanted to use this to pass time whenever I'm on my phone. I found this app to be quite nice instead of playing games because I found that instead of playing games, I can just learn a few words here and there. Currently, I'm doing Spanish because quiero hablar español con mis suscriptores, pero mi español no es muy bueno. Pero I'm learning and hopefully I get to speak with ease and talk to some of you guys. I'm also also been enjoying the rank system here. It's been pretty competitive and yeah, I've been loving it so far. The next app on my list is habits. Now I mainly use this to track specific habits such as supplements, workout, food, water, and hygiene. Pretty self-explanatory. I don't track all of my habits here, but I love the simplicity of the app. And finally, on my most used apps, I use Heavy, which is my favorite workout tracker app. Since I forgot my old account, I made a new account to track my new workouts. And by far, this is still the best workout app ever made, in my opinion. Not sponsored. Please sponsor me. You can customize your own workout routines, have different kinds of sets, you know, like normal sets, drop sets, failure sets, etc. And yeah, and you can also add your friends there and be motivated. So yeah, road to glow up, am I right? So now that we finished my favorite apps, it's time to speedrun the rest of my apps. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, we're not doing that, but anyway. Calculator. Do I really need to explain this? Google Calendar, I use this for my daily routine and schedule for certain meetings, events, or meetups. Chrome. I mean, come on. Everyone has Chrome. I mean, unless you're an iPhone user or a psychopath. Same thing either way. Clock for where I set my alarms. CoinGecko, this is where I track cryptocurrency. Contacts for contacts. DeepStash is actually a useful app for ingesting bite-sized information and productivity and lifestyle tips. I use this when I need motivation or inspiration. Google Drive, I use this for syncing my files and keeping my files safe in the cloud. Gallery, pictures, videos, yes. Gmail for email. Google for... Actually, I don't know why I have this when I mostly use Chrome. Get out of here. Yeah, forget that. Get out of here. And of course, Instagram, where I use to manage my Kai Notebook Instagram account. Go follow me at Kai Notebook. I'm more active now. I actually mainly use this account for talking to my viewers because a lot of you guys actually message me, which is sweet of you guys. But please know that I can't reply all the time, so I'm sorry. I'm really busy every day. Next up we have is Jukes, which actually I found this app to be a lot better than free Spotify. So unlike free Spotify, you can log into this app every day to essentially get coins, which you can use to buy a VIP pass to listen to specific music. Now I don't really listen to music on this phone anymore because I mainly use my laptop, but when I do, I use this app. Google Keep Notes, a great app in my opinion for quick notes. Just like my Google to-do list, it syncs with my computer. Google Maps, in case I get lost in your heart. Kill me, please. Messenger to talk to my friends and family, and Messages to talk to my lonely call center service representative. Money Manager to manage money. My Files to manage my files. Notion to manage my life, and because it's Notion. Periodic Table Pro, because chemistry, and I need this dearly. Also, their molar calculator is just... Phone to dial 911. Oh shit, I almost pressed call. Play Store, the superior version of App Store. Reddit to check on community posts such as crypto, Valorant, or just plain cute animal pictures. God, that's adorable. TikTok when I literally have anything else to do. Actually, I'm planning to post more on TikToks now that I have my phone. Now the thing is that I have a dilemma because I don't know how to TikTok, but I'll be studying on what type of content to post there. So yeah, I will update you guys on my TikTok account, and yeah, I would hope to see you there in the future. I have Google Translate because mi español no es muy bueno, perdón, and pomaikeng pasatay na krap. Twitter to post random thoughts that I want to share with you guys while seeing what's going on with the world. Go follow me there. YouTube because I'm addicted to YouTube, especially this guy called Kai Notebook. I just love his videos so much. I recommend subscribing to him. Go subscribe to him now. Oh god, kill me. And finally, YouTube Studio to check my YouTube analytics on my phone and see your comments so that I can reply to them. Is that all? Okay, I think that's all. Thank you everyone so much for watching this video. I'm so glad to be back on voiceovers. I hope to see you all in the next video. Stay safe and drink your water. See you. Bye bye.